Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you get 25 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I have given you 40 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Java Programming Complete Beginner to Advanced. In this course, you will learn core Java skills from Complete Beginner to Advanced feature. This course is 3 hour on-demand video, 1 article, 28 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is 2-in-1 Cisco CCNA 200-301 Python Network Automation. In this course, you will learn basic of computer network, how to do subnetting in a simple way, how to understand Cisco device, virtual LAN and trunking, inter-VLAN routing, remote access, VLAN trunking protocol, port security, Ethernet channel, static routing, dynamic routing, standard and extend access list, network address translation, network automation using Paramiko. Network automation using NetMiko. This course is 14 hour on-demand with full lifetime access, extra mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Termux for penetration and ethical hacker. In this course, you will learn basic of Termux, command line interface of Termux, Termux API, sensor control using Termux API, important tools of Termux. This course is 2 hour on-demand video, 1 downloadable service, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV certification completion. The next course is Kali Linux 2020.4 Optimized Before Hacking. In this course, you will learn general introduction to Kali Linux system, download the latest version of Kali Linux, install Kali Linux system to VirtualBox, activate the user with super privilege, add normal user and give him a super privilege, network connection testing before virtual machine and the internet, solve the problem of error in network management, repair deferred repository, system update, add a temporary or permanent alias, install easy script to solve common problem, install NMS browser, Kali Linux extension, control between ZSH and BEST. This course is 1.5 hour on-demand video, 1 downloadable access, full lifetime access, extra mobile TV and certification completion. The next course is Git and GitHub crash course. In this course, you will learn what Git is used for, perform basic Git operation, stage and commit changes in Git repository, create new branches, merge branches, create repository at GitHub, synchronize local and remote Git repository, explore content of the Git object. This course is 1.5 hour on-demand video, 2 article, full lifetime access, extra mobile and certification completion. The next course is complete guide on SQL injection. In this course, you will learn defining SQL attacks, union-based SQL injection, automated SQL injection, semi-automated SQL tools. This course is 1.5 hour on-demand video, 1 downloadable service, full lifetime access, extra mobility and certification completion. The next course is complete Python bootcamp. Go beginner to expert in Python 3. In this course, you will learn Python from beginner to advanced in Python programming, Python MongoDB, SQLite, Tuple, Python OOP, Python. This course you will learn on-demand video, 8 article, 87 downloadable resources, 9 coding access, full lifetime access, extra mobility, assignment, and certification completion. The next course is learn subject basic in a few hours. In this course, you will learn 3 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra mobility, and certification completion. The next course is machine learning crash course. In this course, you will learn machine learning, data science, Python. This course is 1.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra mobility, and certification completion. The next course is learn PHP for beginner. In this course, you will learn PHP syntax, variable, global versus static keywords, data types, object, string, constant, conditional statement and operators, loop, array, multi-dimensional array, super global variable, forms with validation. This course is 2 hour on-demand video, 1 downloadable service, full lifetime access, extra mobility and certification completion. The next course is learn JavaScript for beginner. In this course, you will learn DOM, variable and constant, JavaScript, arithmetic operation, operator precedent, data types, object, special character, function, array, sorting and slicing array, boolean loops for do while loops, function, event. This course is 1.5 hour on-demand video, 1 downloadable versus full lifetime access, extra mobile and certification completion. The next course is learn Bootstrap for beginner. In this course, you will learn bootstrap, page structure, grid system layout, typography, styling image, tables, button, badge, progress bar, pagination, panels, menu and navigation bar, cursor and model, scrolls by theme. These courses 3 are on demand, one downloadable, full lifetime access, mobile IT certification completion. The next course is PHP and MySQL certification course for beginner. In this course, you will learn PHP variable syntax, variable scope, keyword, echo versus print and data output, PHP string, constant operator, conditional statement, if else, switch statement, while, for, function, PHP arrays like multi-dimensional sorting array, working with forms, post versus get, PHP server-side form validation, creating MySQL database administration with MyPHP admin, administer database user and defining user role, SQL statement select where and or insert late get last ID. MySQL pretend statement and multiple record instruction, PHP asset. MySQL updating record. This course in 3.5 on demand video, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TN certification accomplished. The next is CompTIA Security plus CompTIA Security Practice Test 2021. This course is 4 practice tests, full lifetime access, Excel mobile. The next is AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner 8 high level test 520 question. This course includes 6 practice tests, full lifetime access, Excel mobile. The next is Microsoft Power Platform Fundamental PL900. This course includes 3 practice tests, full lifetime access, Excel mobile. The next is Google AdWords Fundamental Certification Exam Practice Test. This course includes 4 practice tests, full lifetime access, Excel mobile. The next is 0 to Hero in Microsoft Excel Complete Excel Guide 2021. In this course, you will learn Beginner Guide to Microsoft Excel, learn Excel, spreadsheet, formula, shortcut macros, knowledge of all essential Excel formula, becoming proficient in Excel data tools like sorting, filtering, data valuation with data importing, master Excel most popular hookup functions such as VLOOK, HLOOK, index and match, harness full potential to Excel by creating pivot tables with Visualizer, making a great presentation using conditional and table formatting option, visual enhancement viewers using bar, character, scalar pods, histogram, etc. Increase the efficiency by learning how to create important Excel shortcut, explore function and exciting use case of Excel. This course is 6.5 on demand video, 14 article, 22 downloadable full lifetime access, Excel mobile and US certification completion. The next course is Certified Lean Six Sigma Belt Training LSSPB. In this course, you will upgrade a professional skill into handling complex projects, gain the expertise in implementing Six Sigma methodology, develop job-ready skills for assure career growth, cultivating deep understanding in various phases of Six Sigma, learn to minimize the waste and maximize customer value, master project management skills. This course in 21 are on demand your full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TS certification ambition. The next course is Product Lead Growth 2021 from Silicon Valley Veteran MBA. In this course, you will learn product lead growth, product marketing, product management, growth hacking, digital marketing, email marketing, lead nurturing, lead generation. This course in 2.5 on demand video, 8 article, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TS certification ambition. The next is Investing in Stock for Beginner Part 1, Django Free. In this course, you will learn what are stock, the difference between stock and ETF, how much money you need to investing to reduce risks with buying stock, fundamental analytics, technical analysis, how to analyze stock on the chart, how to record practice trading and result before making a real trade. This course is 2 are on demand video, 1 downloadable resource, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TS certification completion. The next course is Simple Strategy for Trading Forex, become profitable with VWEX. This course will learn to trade very essentially without the hassle with server simple techniques and indicator master PWEB with a powerful indicator in trading. Discover a simple and profitable trading strategy and has already proven itself. This course is 1 on demand video, 4 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TN certification completion. The next course is Bitcoin short sale trading and BTC binary option. In this course, you will learn my terminology for binary option, check my forecast for Bitcoin, watch live in binary trade, learn when to trade Bitcoin, binary option, learn how to short Bitcoin, learn binary option with time frame, then create considering income from cryptocurrency, a simple trick to odds the success in cryptocurrency trading, a little known techniques to great reduce cryptocurrency risk and maximize profit, trade Bitcoin like a queen, crypto trading. This course is 11.5 only one video, two articles, full lifetime access, mobility and subscription ambition. The next course is cryptocurrency, complete practical course on crypto trading. In this course, you will able to trade of different cryptocurrency trading platform. You will able to differentiate good ICO and bad ICO, spot different cryptocurrency that are scam. This course you do are only one year full lifetime access, mobility and certification also. The next course is cryptocurrency fundamental and finding the next Bitcoin. In this course, you will learn altcoin basic, how to research altcoin to find the next million dollar cryptocurrency, Bitcoin overview, blockchain basic cryptocurrency. This course is 1.5 only one year to download versus full lifetime access, mobility and certification knowledge. The next course is modeling and trading a robot in Maya 2020. In this course, you will learn how to use Maya, how to master professional modeling technique, how to learn Maya modeling tools, how to use lighting and rendering techniques to use Arnold in Maya, how to use finishing technique for Photoshop. This course is 6.5 on demand video to download devices for lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification condition. The next course is video editing with Avid Media Composer first for beginner. In this course, you will have creating project, bean setting, editing and trimming video, transition, exporting file. This course is 34 minutes on demand video for article, one download devices full lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification condition. The next course is Adobe Lightroom Masterclass Beginner to Expert. In this course, you will learn to short, filter, organize, and edit photo like pro in this comprehensive guide to Adobe Lightroom. This course is only one video for downloadable service full lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification condition. Next course, you will learn basic of Adobe Photoshop CC 2021 for beginner. In this course, you will learn decent understanding of Photoshop, layer properties, layer panel, and layer mark. Perfect of selection with selection to how to save and export the image for web and print. This course is 36 minutes on the one year for article full lifetime access, mobile and TV certification condition. The next course is Software Guide, the complete software store creation course. In this course, you will learn how to build software from scratch, understand how to run e-commerce from your home, be able to improve, store and add many different things, learn different tips and tricks, understand way to make your store more performant. This course is 2.5 on demand video full lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification condition. The next course is Administrative Assistant Hiring Bootcamp. In this course, you will learn how to get hired with administrative assistant or administrative professional, how to write resume that get notice, how to write a cover letter that can get notice, how to handle an interview for administrative assistant position. This course is one only on you. The downloadable service full lifetime access, mobile and TV, assignment and certification condition. The next course is 2021 professional job interview question and answer. This course is for practitioners full lifetime access, mobile. The next course is Green Hydrogen Fundamental, a renewable energy source. In this course, you will learn fundamental knowledge of green hydrogen, hydrogen production, storage method, hydrogen safety, application of hydrogen. This course is to only one year full lifetime access, mobile and TV and certification condition. All the course links are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Send this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.